أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا. من يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلا هادي له. والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا ومولانا وحبيبنا ورسولنا محمد ابن عبد الله صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن تبعه بالإحسان إلى يوم اللقاء آمين. adúpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run ọba, ìkẹ́ àti ìgẹ̀ kó máa bá ṣíwájú ẹ̀dá Ànábì wa Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Ẹni tí ó jẹ́ kó yé wa nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀, ó ní pé ẹni tó ṣe wípé aládùúgbò rẹ̀ tí ò bá ní fọkànbalẹ̀ sí, ó ní kò lè rí àlùjánnà. Ọlọ́run bá wa kẹ́ wọn, bá wa kẹ́ àwọn ará ilé wọn, bá wa kẹ́ àwọn sàhábà wọn. Gbogbo àwọn mùsùlùmí, Ọlọ́run kó ṣe àlékún kẹfẹ́ ní kọ̀ọ̀kan wa náà. Àwa kíra wa ìpètọ́ àkúgbà fọ́lọ́run pẹ̀lú ìdájọ́ Ọlọ́run tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa lọ́wọ́ tá a wà yìí. Ọba tí ó ní dédé lọ́dọ̀, Ọlọ́run kà sínú òṣùwọ̀n dáadáa fún ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan wa. Ẹ̀yọ́ mọ̀ ya nínú Islam, a tún kíra wa káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa, ètò Al-Falah Ramadan series, èyí tá a fi ń bára wa sọ̀rọ̀ ní Al-Falah Ramadan lectures. Ọ̀rọ̀ wa lénìí yóò wá dálé lórí haqqul jar. Haqqul jar, your neighbor's right. Ẹ̀tọ́ aládùúgbò àbí alájọgbé, ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ̀. Kí la ń pè ní aládùúgbò? Ìwọ̀n ẹsẹ̀ mélòó lèèyàn fi jẹ́ aládùúgbò síra ẹni? Àwọn wo wá ní aládùúgbò gangan? Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa nínú Islam, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ mọ̀ wípé Ọlọ́run bàbá tó dá wa, ó gbé gbogbo wa kalẹ̀. Ọba tó dá wa, huwa alladhi khalaqakum min dhakarin wa unsa. Ó wá gbé wa kalẹ̀ lóníranran, ó wá ní lita'arafu. Lita'arafu tọ́lọ́ ń jẹ́ kó yé wa láàrin ẹni wípé tọ́ ká máa dára wa mọ̀. A máa pàdé ara wa, a máa meet ara wa, a máa bára wa ṣe níbi iṣẹ́ ni, ní school ni, nínú ilé ni, ládùúgbò ni, nílé ìwòsàn ní, gbogbo ọ̀nà káàkiri a máa pàdé ara wa. Ibi láti jọ ń jẹ́ aládùúgbò fúnra wa lélẹ̀. Ọlọ́run wa ní inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. Ẹni tó dáa jù, tó lápọ́nlé jù lọ́dọ̀ èmi Ọlọ́run, òun náà ni ẹni tí bá ń páyà èmi Ọlọ́run. Eléyìí ló wá fẹ́ mú wa lọ síbi ọ̀rọ̀ aládùúgbò àbí alájọgbé. Ká lọ rántí pé ẹ̀tọ́ aládùúgbò ó ń bẹ ní àwọn àyè rẹpẹtẹ tọ́lọ́run ti sọ nínú Al-Qur'an àti tí àdísì tí Ànábì Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam tó sọ fún wa. Ní àyè kan, ibi tí Màláíkà Jibril nígbà tó wá bá òjíṣẹ́ Ànábì Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam tó ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀tọ́ aládùúgbò, ibi tó ń sọ dé bó ṣe ń tẹnpẹlẹ mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, the insistence tó insist lórí ẹ̀ yìí, òjíṣẹ́ Muhammad jẹ́ ó yé wa pé kódà àwọn fẹ́ lérò wípé nínú ohun tó bá fẹ́ pín ẹ̀tọ́ ogún wọn láti pín fáládùúgbò bẹ̀, ibi tó nípọn dé. Ẹ̀yà ibadallah, Ọlọ́run ló fi kó yé wa pé kò sẹ́ni tí ó ṣàbúrú fún aládùúgbò rẹ̀ àfẹ́ni tó bá jẹ́ èèyàn bú yanyan. Èèyàn bú tó ṣe wípé aburú gan yóò máa bẹ̀rù èèyàn bẹ̀ sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ànábì Muhammad sọ fún wa pé wallahi la yu'min, wallahi la yu'min, wallahi la yu'min. Wọ́n wá ń bèèrè pé kíla ya Rasulullah laqad khaba wa khasira. Ànábì kí ló dé? Kí ló dé? Ó ní pé tọ́ ẹni yìí mà ti ṣòfò. Ẹni ti ṣòfò, ó ti sọnù. Àwọn ń bèèrè pé ta ni kíla man huwa, ta lẹ́ni náà? Qala, òjíṣẹ́ Muhammad dáná pé man la yahmana jaruhu, man la yamanu jaruhu bawa'iqahu. Ẹni tó ṣe wípé aburú rẹ̀ bawa'iqahu la yahmanu jaruhu, aládùúgbò rẹ̀ ò ní fọkànbalẹ̀ sí aburú rẹ̀. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé aburú ọwọ́ tí ń bẹ ní ọwọ́ rẹ̀ ó ń fún aládùúgbò ní àìní fọkànbalẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ya nínú Islam, even kí Islam gan kó tó di pé yóò di nǹkan tó gbalẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Lárúbáwá, àwọn Lárúbáwá máa ń pọn aládùúgbò lé. Wọ́n pọn aládùúgbò wọn, wọ́n kà á kún, wọ́n pọn lé dáadáa. Ìka aládùúgbò òkun ó wà nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tá a fi ń tán ṣòro. Ibn Sabil tábára wa sọ níjẹ́ òní ọ̀rọ̀ streetism. ìmọ̀ tọ́jú aládùúgbò. Ẹni tó bá ti kọ̀rọ̀ aládùúgbò ẹ̀kún, Yorùbá tó sọ pé ojú méjì ló bímọ, igba ojú ló ń tọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ aládùúgbò náà wà nínú ẹ̀. So àwọn aládùúgbò wa náà lásìkò kí Islam tó wá ní tó kó tó rinlẹ̀, wọ́n ka ọ̀rọ̀ aládùúgbò, wọ́n kà á kún dáadáa, wọ́n pàtàkì ẹ̀ débi tó ṣe wípé aládùúgbò wọ́n máa fẹ́ ra nǹkan lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ bó bá ṣe súnmọ́ wọn sí. Yàní pé bó bá ṣe súnmọ́ wọn sí, wọ́n máa fi ra nǹkan yẹn ní ìra àpọ́nlé ní ọwọ́ rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yà ibadallah, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ mọ̀ wípé ìmọ̀ wa ṣe dáadáa sí aládùúgbò wa kò di dandan pé ká jọ jẹ́ lẹ́sìn kan náà. Dídẹ́kọ́ irrespective kò bá jẹ́ pé ẹlẹ́sìn míì, ká ṣe dáadáa sí aládùúgbò wa, alájọgbé wa. Ibi tá a ti fẹ́ ṣe correction ni is a wrong impression. Kẹ́nìkan sọ pé aládùúgbò òun kì í ṣe mùsùlùmí lásìkò tó bá wá ń ṣọdún tiẹ̀ bóun ò ní kí àsìkò ọdún títí ó dẹ̀ kí wọ́ wá kí tó lẹ́jọ́ ń gbé ni. Má fi 24 hours ìjọ kan má fi ba ìjà aládùúgbò ẹ má fi bà jẹ́. Isan tó bá wá tó lẹ́tọ́ pé ìjọ kan tó ń ṣọdún tiẹ̀ ò ní kí, maybe Merry Christmas ẹ̀wọ̀n àti Christmas tiẹ̀ ẹ fún wọn àti Ọlọ́run lẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ. Who are you? Students don't mark the fellow student in the exam hall. Gbogbo wa exam hall nílé ayé tá wà yìí. Aládùúgbò wa ẹ jẹ́ ká pọ́nlé, ká tọ́jú ẹ̀, ká ṣe dáadáa sí. Èyí tó burú jù, the most disgusting tó burú jù, ó ní pé kéèyàn máa wá fault aládùúgbò rẹ̀, kéèyàn máa wá fault aládùúgbò rẹ̀, kéèyàn máa wá ibi tó kù díẹ̀ sí, kéèyàn máa wá bóyá bó ló ṣe ń ṣe láì ṣe pé bóyá èèyàn fẹ́ lò ó ra aṣọ, ó ra mọ́tò, iṣẹ́ òun ṣe. Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ó ń jáde láàárọ̀, ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ mechanic, ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ bricklayer, ó ń lọ sọ́fíìsì, ó ń darí. Wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa kó ẹ̀sán ṣe ó ń ṣe ju iṣẹ́ yẹn lọ náà ni. Hakulijar, aládùúgbò wa ó ní the privacy. Ká má look into the privacy of aládùúgbò wa. Inna ba'da dhanni ismun. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tánà Al-Qur'an ti kó yọ, inna ba'da dhanni ismun. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní ká máa dábàá ṣé oṣù ẹ̀ náà ló fi ń ṣe business ìbílẹ̀ náà lájọ wà, ṣé bí ó ń taṣọ náà ni, ṣé ó ń tajà àbó ń ta nǹkan míì rárá. Àmọ́ bó ṣe dádùúgbò wa yìí nígbà tó dé bí ẹsẹ̀ ló fi rìn wá dúgbò yìí, mọ́tò ti di 3 rárá. Ẹ fílẹ̀ aládùúgbò wa àkọ́kọ́ ó ní pé aládùúgbò wa ó ní the privacy. Ká má tójú bọ private life rẹ̀, ká má tójú bọ yàrá rẹ̀, ká má tójú bọ kọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀. Ànábì Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam jí kó pé man kana yu'minu billah, tó bá nígbàgbọ́ sọ́lọ́run, ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá mọ̀ kó nígbàgbọ́ sọ́lọ́run wal yawmil akhir àti ọjọ́ kan yẹn, falyukrim jarahu, ó ní kó pọ́n aládùúgbò ẹ̀ lé, ó ní pọ́n tó máa pé Ọlọ́run bẹ wọn Ọlọ́run bẹ ọsùn mọ̀ pé ọjọ́ kan yìí ń bẹ, ó ní pọ́n aládùúgbò ẹ̀ lé. Wa man kana yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhir, ìwọ tó bá mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run tún bẹ ọjọ́ kan yìí sì ń bẹ, falyukrim dayfahu, ó ní pọ́n àlejò ẹ̀ lé. Man kana yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhir, tó bá mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run bẹ ọjọ́ kan yìí sì ń bẹ, falyaqul khayran aw liyasmut, sọ dáadáa sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ àbí kó dákẹ́. Ẹ rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ aládùúgbò náà ni ọ̀gá wa tún kọ́kọ́ sọ fún wa ní eléyìí. Ó tún wá ń jẹ́ kó yé wa láwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ayé wípé aládùúgbò wa nípa welfare wọn, we have to be very much concerned about our aládùúgbò, especially when we are very closer to ourselves. We have to be very much concerned about them, their welfare. It will be uncalled for, especially during this period we have now. This is the period we should not spend, but this period to give. There's difference between spending and giving. When you spend for yourself. When you give, you are not expecting any return. So this is the period we give. We give to our neighbor. We look critically into them. Well, my neighbor, my good neighbor, how are you, sir? Have this. Irrespective of their religious affiliation, irrespective of any ideological differences you might have. Humanity first. Humanity first. It is uncalled for you to be changing your wardrobe, looking fine, looking good, and you have some unused clothes in your wardrobe that are languishing 6 months, 7 months, a year, not touching them. It's uncalled for. You can easily look for someone in your neighborhood and give it to. Oh, my dear, I'm not using this thing again. Come and have it. But something will make someone to collect or to receive from you if you are well mannered. Think about people will be very easy to come to you, to receive from you, to talk to you, to even open up their secrets to you. They'll be able to tell you this is where they need help. This is where the shoe is pinching them. My brothers and sisters, our neighbors have several rights over us. We have to protect our neighbors. Yes, we have to protect our neighbors. We have to protect their properties. We have to protect their families. Yes, their children, the wives, the husbands, the maids, they should be protected from all evils. If we are protecting them from all evils, we too, we should not be evil to them. We should not endanger them. My brothers and sisters, at this very period we are, we should look critically into our surroundings. We should be watchful over ourselves. We should be more caring in protecting our neighbor. My brothers and sisters, the Prophet ﷺ said, Allah, la tahakiranna jaratun li jaratiha walau farsinna shatin. The Prophet said, certainly, a woman should not belittle what her neighbor gives her, even if it is the intestines of a sheep. Your neighbor gives you something. It is very common with us. Yes, you should not belittle it. Some people will say they gave him food, like what went viral on a video during this lockdown at the initial stage. A good Samaritan came out, prepared food with our money. Prepare food, bought all the ingredients and the package, and came to the streets, entered the streets, and began to distribute this food to people without asking for anything. Instantly, some people received the package and opened it. Look at how mockery they were making of this gift, of this well-intended act this person embarked upon. The person, look at what they give to us, or look at what they give to us, so we that, the person, the woman has to even come before camera, saying that I don't used to eat more in my house. The Prophet said that it is an ill-mannered person. You are a bad neighbor if you are doing that. If you are doing that, you are a bad neighbor. Yes, you should not belittle it. You are not protecting that your neighbor's integrity. You are not protecting that your neighbor's happiness. You are not protecting that your neighbor good spirit. You are not protecting it, because the person will feel bad and will be very regretting of embarking on that peaceful act. My brothers and sisters, the Prophet has said that a woman should not belittle what a neighbor gives to her, no matter how small it is. My brothers and sisters, the Prophet again, he said on many occasions that khairul ashab inda Allah ta'ala khairuhum li sahibihi wa khairul jiran inda Allah ta'ala khairuhum li jarihi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The Prophet said, the best of companions with Allah is the one who is good to his companion, and the best of neighbors with Allah is the one who is good to his neighbor. If you want to be a good neighbor to Almighty Allah, be a good neighbor to your neighbors. Be good to your neighbor if you want to be a good neighbor with Almighty Allah. Meaning that Allah is telling you extensively that He is dwelling within your neighbor. That Allah is not far from you. He's very closer to us. than what we expected. Allah is telling you now, through the Prophet ﷺ, that khairul hashabi inda Allahi ta'ala khairu'un li sahibihi. Be a very good companion to your companion. Be very good to them. Your companion, your work staff, your workforce member, or your partners in business, everything. Those are your companions. Your colleagues at the institutions, be very good to them. And the Prophet said, وَخَيْرُ الْجِيرَانِ إِنَّ اللَّهِ تَعَالَى خَيْرُهُمْ لِجَارِهِ. The best neighbor, if you want to be a best neighbor to Allah, and you want Allah to be of good neighbor to you, be very good to your neighbor. Another point that our neighbors should enjoy is at time of grief and sadness. At the time of grief and sadness, we should be very, very compassionate with our neighbors. We should share their feelings, their sad period. We should share it with them. We should condole them, get closer to them, talk with them, share their feelings with them, give them hope, give them good tidings through the words of God. Give them good hope. Give them that, okay, in the bad al-usri yusra. After this calamity, there is hope. Raise their hope. Give them whatever you have. Give them your time. Share your own good time with them. From your time, let them pick up. After some, let them pick up. So that the person will now be very grateful to you that, my brother, had it been not your regular and constant visit to us, it will have been very hard for him to get out of that grievous period. My brothers and sisters, another part, the prophets implore us, it is prohibited for you to peek into your neighbor's house. It is prohibited. That is why building all these skyscrapers, all these big houses at times, there is invasion into the privacy of others into it. Yes, if you don't know, you should not peep into it. Mistakenly, especially if your house is on the rise and your neighbor is on the bungalow. Look at it. It is very easier. Mistakenly, the eyes can go. Let us look in the biblical history. Let us look at what happened to King. Is it not King Solomon? Let us look into it. Let's look into it. Read it very fine. Despite the controversial nature of it, yet the lesson from it is that we should not peep into the privacy of our neighbors, especially their wives and their female daughters. They should be well protected and they should be well guided. If you are very good to your neighbor, or you have a very good knowledge about your people, then you are very, very blessed before Almighty Allah. Another aspect is that you should find time and patronize your neighbor's business. Yes, you should patronize your neighbor's business. It will be very uncalled for. Your neighbor is into a certain business and you are very sure of it, that the person is very good. Don't go far. Patronize your neighbor. It is very common for especially our women. Whenever they want to buy things on credit, on credit, they will come to their neighbor, my neighbor, please sell for me. But the moment the person has money, he will now go several miles. Say, this my neighbor is very expensive. Let me go several miles. He will now go and buy. It is not very good at all. You are a bad neighbor if you are doing such. And to share nǹkan báyẹn kò dá. Aládùúgbò ẹ̀ ń ta nǹkan tòsí níbi tó wá fẹ́ ra àwìn ara lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Tó wá fẹ́ ra èyí tó lówó lọ́wọ́, àwa lọ jìnnà. Ìgbà yẹn náà wọ́n pé bí kan they are selling it at a cheaper price somewhere. But when you want to buy, you don't have the money. You patronize your neighbor then. When you have, buy from your neighbor. When you don't have, patronize your neighbor. And you, the neighbor, the moment your people come to you, please raise their hope. Let us listen to what the prophet said again. No matter how religious you are, your religiosity will be infutile if you are very bad to your neighbor. No matter your status. You might be an imam, you might be a pastor, you might be a sheikh, you might be whatever. And that one is very common with the religious leaders. By the time people say they want to see them, the neighbor, especially the neighbor in the neighborhood, they will not attend to them on time. They will keep them waiting. Some will keep the neighbor waiting 10, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, some 1 hour. They keep them waiting. And some will not even regard their neighbor. Some will not even come out to see them, especially when they call the neighborhood meeting. They are too big to attend. You are not too big to attend the neighborhood meeting. Your position is a social position. Yes, it is the faith that is attached to that office of the imam, attached to the office of the pastor, attached to the office of the bishop, attached to the office of the sheikh, that people willingly submit themselves. There is no compulsion in their submitting to you. If they don't submit, then you don't have any right to enforce it on them. But if they submit themselves to you, then you should be a good neighbor to them at the time when they say they want to see you. Let them be free to see you. As far as they regard you as a man of God, that you are a good neighbor of God, then you should be a good neighbor to your fellow human being. The Prophet said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Qala rajul." A man came to him and asked him, "Ya Rasulallah, inna fulanata tuskaru min kathrati salatiha wa siyamiha, gaira annaha tuzi jiranaha, qala hiya fi an-nar." Qala ya Rasulallah, inna fulanata tuskaru min qillati salatiha wa siyamiha, wa innaha aw wa annaha tatasaddaqu bi athwari min al-aqti wa la tusi jiranaha, qala hiya fil jannah. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet said, translation: a man asked the Prophet about a woman who made many prayers and fasted a lot, yet she will hurt her neighbors. Yes, she will hurt her neighbors. The Prophet said and answered, she is in the hell fire. The man asked again, what about another woman who only did her obligations in terms of praying and fasting, yet she gave charity and pieces of whatever she asked, akit, yogurt or cheese, it can be interpreted like that, and never harmed her neighbor? The Prophet said she is in paradise. My brothers and sisters, look at what the Prophet said. Muhammad sọ fún wa tó ń sọ pé alárakùnrin kan wá bá ó ní ẹ̀dá kan bẹ ẹ máa kírun ìgbàwẹ̀ àmọ́ síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ bó ṣe ń kírun tó ń gbàwẹ̀ tó yìí ń ṣàbùrú sáládùúgbò rẹ̀. Òjíṣẹ́ lásán pé ìyàfẹ́ náà rẹ̀ èrò náà ni wọ́n ní arábìnrin kan bẹ bágbára ẹ ṣe máa ń kírun ń sì ń gbàwẹ̀ níwọ̀nba díẹ̀díẹ̀ tiẹ̀ ń sì ń ṣe sàárà ìmọ̀ fáwọn èèyàn ní nǹkan lágbára ẹ̀ka kì í ṣe ṣàbùrú sí aládùúgbò rẹ̀. Ànábì ní ìyàfẹ́ janna, ìràlù janna ni. Tó ń túmọ̀ sí pé ọ̀rọ̀ aládùúgbò ó lágbára púpọ̀, ó kápá gan, léyìí tá a bọ̀rọ̀ ṣe kí ni, tá a bọ̀rọ̀ fún ọwọ́ ìyẹpẹrẹ mú. Káwá rántí ibi tí Ànábì Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam tó kà sí, ó ní arba'u mina sa'ada, nǹkan mẹ́rin bẹ àpẹẹrẹ oríire ni. Ẹni tó bá ní oríire ni, ẹni tó náà bá ní kó jẹ́ irú àpẹẹrẹ mẹ́rin yìí oríire ni. Ó ní àkọ́kọ́ al-mar'atu salihah, a good woman, wal maskanul wasi'ah, a very good accommodation, wal jaru salih, a good neighbor, wal markabu anihun, a good ride. Yes, a good ride. The Prophet said in mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin yìí, obìnrin tó dá, àyè tó gbáyé dáadáa, aládùúgbò tó dá, nǹkan ọ̀gùn tó dá, mọ́tò ní, ẹṣin ní, àwọn nǹkan ọ̀gùn tó dá. Ànábì Muhammad ní ó ní àpẹẹrẹ oríire ni. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé if you are having a good wife, you are blessed. If you are having a good accommodation, you are blessed. If you are having a good neighbor, you are blessed. If you are having a good ride, you are blessed. Also, you are blessed if you are a good wife. Also, you are blessed if you are a good neighbor to your fellow neighbors. And the Prophet said, arba'un mina shaqawa. Hey, Ọlọ́run làwọn bẹ̀ o, orí ibu ni àwọn nǹkan mẹ́rin o, ní nǹkan mẹ́rin tí ó dá. Al-jaru su'i, a bad neighbor, is very, very bad to have. Walmaratu su'i, a bad woman. Walmarkabu su'u, a bad ride. And walmaskanu doyikun, a very tight accommodation that is not accommodating enough. A father and a wife and 4 children sleeping in a single room. It is very, very bad. It will not be convenient for them at all. We know why. And that is why we have to pray against poverty. For this, the prophets prayed, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minan jari su'i fi dar al-maqama fa inna jar al-badiya yata'awwal. Oh Allah, I seek refuge with you from bad neighbor in a permanent residence, as the neighbor in a nomadic residence is always moving. MashaAllah. If you are in a rented apartment, if there is a bad neighbor there, the person can be evicted from that. But in a permanent abode where you build your house, if you're having a bad neighbor, it is very, very hard. The prophet prayed against a bad neighbor. You should not disturb your neighbor with your generator set, either the noise or the pollution. You should not disturb your neighbor with your musical gadgets. You should not disturb your neighbor with any other thing that, even the trees that we planted in our compound. By the time the tree is stretching over into the next compound, we should try and begin to cut it off, because it can become debris, it can become dirty into your neighbor's compound, and the person will not be very comfortable with it. That's additional task to be cleaning that debris for you, and it is your tree. My brothers and sisters, that is what the prophet has told us concerning to be a good neighbor. On this note, irrespective of your status, either you are a Muslim, you are a Christian, you are an atheist, I'm telling you, humanity first, mankind first. We are from one God, from one creator, on one planet, and one message. And that message is the message of peace. Inna dina indallahi al-Islam. And that is the message of peace. Islam is encouraging all Muslims to be good neighbor, to be of good to their neighbors. Be of good neighbor and be of good neighbor. Be a good neighbor and be of good neighbor. You should be good yourself, and you should be doing good to your neighbor, irrespective of the religious affiliation of the person. May Almighty Allah ease our task for us. On this note, we are calling it a day. Ama fasiko yi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run bá tó ṣe rọrùn fún wa. Ọlọ́run kó gbà ní ìbádà fún wa. Àwọn fasiko sọ fún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ya tẹ́jọ́ ń wò wá báyìí. Ẹ lọ sórí YouTube page wa, YouTube channel. Ẹ lọ bá wa click like lórí ẹ̀. Kẹ́dẹ̀ wà wọ́n wá start ṣe sórí ẹ̀. Our several lectures in this series that we've done. Click it, like it, and share it. Invite others to watch it. And then you subscribe to the channel. Let us help the channel to grow. We are growing far. And Jazakumullahu khairan. May Almighty Allah continue to be with all of us. Allahumma rabbana taqabbal minna innaka anta as-sami'ul 'alim wa tub 'alaina ya maulana innaka anta tawwabur rahim. Rabbana a'tina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina 'adhaban nar. Subhana rabbika rabbil 'izzati amma yasifuna. Wassalamun 'alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil 'alamin.